remember, I said the easy part is. Hey, my wife making me laugh, y'all. Hey, this is your boy, Damn It Boy, coming at you with another video. So, if you guys remember, about 7 weeks ago, I did a video on my $500 flower bed plant, how I planted my flowers and everything. And if you guys remember, I said the easy part is planting the flowers. The hard part is watering them, keeping them alive. And of course, as you know, not just only in Texas, everywhere, we've been having 100-degree heat days constantly. It was a battle, but your boy did it. I mean, man, I tell you what, when I say I had to water the flowers before I went to work, when I got off of work, you know, I did it. Shout out to Callaway's, man, they've been real troopers to me. You know, I started out with Lowe's flowers and Callaway's flowers. But Callaway's flowers just are the bomb. And the little ladies, you know, from a Little M store, hey, shout out to them. They got to know JB. They said, here he comes again. But you know what? They've been real troopers. Shout out to them. Shout out to Callaway's flowers. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the about 7 weeks out looks like. I did some changes, a lot of changes in and out, but I'm really proud of myself. I think it looks good. I'm gonna start out, you know, this way, you know, just showing you guys different flowers, how they really matured and growed. Of course, you know, my elephant ears, they've been planted for years. They come back. But it's time to take those out and replant them, probably with large bulbs, maybe large this time back there. But that, like I say, I got my little bird. I got that from Callaway's. I opted to go with the small bird because it was on sale. I like the bigger birds, but I wasn't gonna pay no $139 for that big bird. And of course, I can't put a waterfall in my flower bed because we attract too many birds. And as you see, these elephant ears, I planted these as large bulbs this spring, and they're really doing great. They love a lot of water, but at the end of the day, they hate the heat. And with those 100-degree heat days, nothing I did would work. So I had to cut a lot of them off, but I'm proud of them. I went with the large bulbs. I should have went with the extra large, but it's okay. You know, just in general, man, you know, it turned out real great. And believe it or not, I have a lot of shade plants out here. And they are just doing wonderful. Like this one right here. This started out as a little pup. But now look at it. I mean, it's just unbelievable how some plants do well in certain environments than other plants. But I'm really proud of myself. The only thing that I'm really not too fond of right now is I went with the brown mulch. The sun just killed the brown mulch. It cooked it. I should have went with the red mulch, follow my gut, but you know, I'm just trying to, you know, do something a little different, kind of make it match the house and everything. But it just didn't do right in the sun. Next year I'll go with the red mulch again. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, like I say, just to show you what it looks like about 7 weeks out. I think I did an outstanding job. It's really beautiful. So guys, I want you guys to thumb it up, you know, leave a comment what you think about it. And if you ain't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to your boy's channel, Damn It Boy. So with that being said, peace. We out of here.